Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to record video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Recording a video in Canva is a simple process. Once you are logged into your account, you can simply click the create a new design, or you can choose a video template by selecting from business, social media, education, or video. You can choose by category, Facebook video, video messages, mobile videos, and other stuff. Now, I'm going to choose probably like this one right here. I'm going to customize this template by clicking on this button. And I'm going to add maybe like an image. Now, for you to be able to record a video, all you're going to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click the videos, and there's going to be an option that says record yourself. Okay, so Canva will notify you that you want to access some permissions. Allow this time, allow whenever visit, never allow. If you allow it this time, Canva wants to use your microphone. If you allow it, you see this is going to be the OBS. That's going to be the default if it recognizes the software for recording. All right. Now, if you're using camera recording, make sure your webcam and microphone are set up and hit the start recording option here. If you're using screen recording, choose which part of your screen to record. Okay. Now, once you are done, let me just try it. As you can see, you can adjust the length and use the Canvas video editing tools to enhance the video. All right. Click on stop recording. If you wanted to scrap this video altogether, all you're going to do is click on delete option. All right, delete that, try to record again. So for example, you are already happy with it. All you're gonna do now is click on done. Maybe click that. And then once you're happy with that, you might want to click on the save and exit. You would be forwarded here. All right, once the video has been saved, all you're gonna do is click on the share button on the upper right corner. Click on the download button. You see there's gonna be a lot of options. You have the MP4, with a high quality video, a GIF if you want it, and if you want to share this design to your team members or collaborators, just click the collaboration link and copy that link. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.